Fáilte chuig do Ceacht Gaeilge inniu an Lún agus inniu an taonú lá de bhí Márta. It's the 1st of March inniu. This is just the Irish tutorial for 6th today. This is your story on Mappa. The map. Some of the words you might need. Plandi, plants. Ag tóghalt, so digging. Ag bosca, box. Mappa, map. Sliabh, mountain. Loch, lake. Cashlán, castle. And Argid, money. A few of these words you've had in a couple of your stories in the past couple of weeks. So Plandi and Sliabh were in the Fia Rua, the Red Deer chapter. So I'm going to lay on Scéalanish. I'm going to read the story. It's an Aimsir Chacha. It's in the past. All of the verbs are in the past. So I'll point them out to you in a moment. An tarach a bhí it was spring. Chuig Laura agus Rory go dtí an siopa chun Plandi a cheannach. Laura and Rory went to the shop, chuig. This is our verb that we're looking at in detail this week, chuig. They went to the shop to buy plants. Nuair a chuig siad a bhaile, fuair Rory an spád, agus chuig siad amach sa gáirdeán. Nuair a chuig siad a bhaile, when they went home, a bhaile, Rory fuair sé an spád, the spade, and they went, chuig siad amach out into the garden. Thosig Rory ag tóghalt. He started digging. Rinne sé pole or powl sa talamh. He made a hole in the ground. Ansin bhuail an spád rud éigean crua. Then bhuail hit, the spade hit rud éigean something crua hard. Bosca beag a bhí a small box was it. Haring Laura an bosca amach agus doscail she é. So haring, to pull or to pull, yeah. Laura the box out. She pulled out the box and doscail she opened it. Bhí mappa sa bosca. There was a map in the box. Bhí sé an shan. It was very old. Bhí X mór an mappa. There was a big X on the map. Agus Hashbán an X Corav an target. And Hashbán, the X showed Corav where was the money. Leanne, Laura agus Rory a mappa, they followed it. Leanne siad. Chuig siad go dtí an loch agus chas siad clay. They went to the lake and chas siad, they turned clay to the left. Chas siad yesh ag an sliabh. They turned to the right at the mountain. Chuig siad go dtí an Cashlán agus chas siad yesh a ríis. They went, chuig siad go dtí an Cashlán, to the castle, and they turned right again. Chuig siad aig, they went on. Déag Laura agus Rory an mappa a ríis. They looked, déag siad an mappa a ríis, at the map again. Chonnig siad X agus Argid. They saw an X and money. Déag siad suas, they looked up. Thosig an bheirt acu a gcuire. The bheirt acu, the two of them started, thosig siad a gcuire, laughing. Céir de chonnig siad ach bank. What did they see but a bank? Tá Argid an sin ceart go leor sa Rory le Lara. There's certainly money there, said Rory to Lara. That's the only sentence that changes to the present. There is, tá, it's not V. It's there is money there, said Rory to Lara. So caithfidh sibh se an scéal a léamh agus caithfidh sibh na ceistena fear no breakoch dhéanamh. A. Fear no breakoch. True or false. Chuig Laura agus Rory go dtí an siopa. Fear no breakoch. So scríb amach an Albert seo, write out the story or the sentence an Albert seo, and then scríb fear no breakoch i the hoplar in your copy. Here though, thosig Laura ag tóghalt. Lara started digging. Bhí mappa sa bosca. Fear no breakoch. Chas Laura agus Rory clay ag an sliabh. Fear no breakoch. Chuig Laura agus Rory isteach sa Cashlán. Fear no breakoch. Agus fuair Laura agus Rory bosca Argid ag an X. Fear no breakoch. I want you to look at this verb chuig. It's in this story a lot because this is the verb we're looking at in detail this week. It's one of the 11 irregular verbs on these pages that I sent you, and you'll find it on page 12, I'm thinking, is it? Yeah. te. This is the root of it, te. So if I want to say, go to the shop, take a díon shop, go to the cinema, take a díon fictrelin, go away from me, te just te, to go. That's the root of it, or the order. This is it in the past, the present, the future. I'm sure Ceacht, I'm sure Loirach, I'm sure Oshnach. Enye, yesterday, Gachla, every day, Amorach, tomorrow. And it's Cuig in the past. And it's the same spelling for me, you, him, her, ye, and they. Cuig, 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 Cuig. It's Chumer for we, went. And it does change spelling quite a bit to say I didn't go, or to ask the question, did you go? It's ni yachi me, on nyaki too. In the everyday, it's tain. Yes, this is spelled differently because it's tain. It's tain plus me together makes the word tame. I go, you go, he goes, she goes, we go, ye go, they go. Ni haim, I do not go. On they and to, do you go? And the future, probably the easiest spelling, because the rachi is spelled the same way for even the I didn't go and the question. There's no H. You can't put or H. You can't put a H into a word that starts with or in Irish, so there's no H put in. And there's no uru. There's no letter that comes before or in Irish, so that's why there's no, like D comes before T here. There's nothing there. And there's no H. So it's Rocky, Rocky, Rocky May, Rocky 2, Rocky Shay, Rocky She, Rocky Shiv, Rocky Shiad, Ni Rocky May, on Rocky 2. The only one that's different is we will go, Rochamid. So you're looking at that verb in detail. Just to let you know that on, I think it's Thursday, Friday, you'll be rewriting this story out, but you'll be changing it. So as I said, it's in the past. It's all in the I'm sure Ceacht. Okay, any verb in the story is in the I'm sure Ceacht. What I'll be getting you to do is to change it to the I'm sure Loirach. So anywhere you see chuig, it'll be changing to tain. Okay? Or if you're changing it to the future, anywhere you see chuig, you'll be changing it to rocky. I'll be explaining it in detail a bit more during the week, the night before you have to do it, so don't be worrying. But, for example, if I was changing this to right now, it's happening now, I'd say an tarach atá ann. Right now. Chuig Lara agus Rory, they went, so I want to say they go tain Lara agus Rory. So your verbs are chuig arish here, chuig again, husig. It's not an irregular verb. So I'll put up some other material the night that you have to do this to help you to change these verbs into the present and future. Rinne, this is an irregular verb, so it'll be on these pages. Vul is not irregular. Herring is not irregular. Dusk, that's not irregular. V is. Hashbon is not. Lian is not. Cuig is. Cos is not. Cuig again. Cuig. Deach is not, as far as I remember. Yeah, and yeah. So like I say, I'll go through it in more detail the night before you actually have to change it into the present to show you like where you will find the verb spellings and to help you, but I'll leave you to translate it yourself. Okay, so the verb in detail is this one this week in these sentences to help you practice them. This will be your Friday test, these sentences. You're reading the story on Márta and you're doing part A, and you fear no breakout.